Fellow Americans, in these challenging times, let us draw upon the enduring spirit of unity that binds us as a nation. Just as a house divided against itself cannot stand, so too must we stand together to face the trials of our era. In the crucible of our shared history, I beseech you to remember the fundamental principles that guided our forefathers, the ideals of liberty, equality, and justice. Let us not forget that we are a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. In the pursuit of a more perfect union, let empathy be our compass and compassion be our guide. For it is only through understanding and kindness that we can bridge the divides that threaten to weaken the very fabric of our nation. As we navigate the tempest of contemporary challenges, let us be mindful of our duty to future generations. The torch of freedom, once ignited, must be passed from hand to hand, illuminating the path of progress and enlightenment. In the face of adversity, let courage be our armor and reason our shield. Let us engage in honest discourse, respecting the diversity of thought that has always been the hallmark of our great democracy. United we stand, divided we fall. Let the legacy of our shared history propel us forward, and may the principles that define us continue to inspire and guide us in the pursuit of a brighter tomorrow. God bless you all, and God bless the United States of America. Abraham Lincoln.